What is happening, my friends? Today, this is Birdman 316, by the way. Today, we're going to be comparing a sound on a Stratocaster here. Right now, we are in this position right here. I saw a video somewhere that someone said that this position on a Strat, either with these two or these two, sounds the same as a Les Paul or a humbucker equipped guitar in the middle position, out of phase. I don't think so. I don't think it does. And we're gonna check that out today. I want you to be the judge of that. Does it sound the same? I don't think it does. Because these are wired, everything's wired correctly, so everything is in phase with this one. If you're wondering which guitar this is my David Gilmour tribute guitar. Doesn't have the mod switch that he usually puts on his, but this is a blender pot right here, which will also give you these two together. As long as you're all the way down here, you come up one click. As long as this is turned all the way this way, you get all three. Once you turn it all the way this way, it's a normal Strat. But today's video, we're going to be comparing and listening and hearing if we can tell, is there a difference, which I think it is. Okay, let me quit jabber-jawing and get down to it. Here we go. We are in with these two on right here. We're on a clean channel. There's no dirt anywhere. I just stepped on the Sonicake Blue Screamer. We're not in double mode, we're in normal mode. Something in the ears rattling. Okay. That is a nice little sound sample from the Stratocaster here. Now, let's put the Stratocaster in the stand and very carefully not to knock the phone over, because the headstock's probably just a couple of inches away from knocking the phone over. And we don't need that. You know who this one is. This is Amber. This is my Greeny Moore tribute model. Of course, IYV did most of the work. I just changed the knobs and rewired the neck pickup backwards, and in the middle position, which we are right now, we have the out of phase. Now you just heard the Strat there. We're going to listen to this one now and see if there's any difference, right? Here we go. We're going to try to play about the same sort of stuff. Volumes and stuff are up. The volumes on that one was all the way up, the tone was all the way up, The blender was in the normal, so you have a normal Strat sound there. Now this one here in the middle position here, which this one's wired backwards, and I actually put the whole pickup in backwards to contribute to that look. This is wired correctly, that was not, so in the middle position you have them out of phase. Some dirt with the Sonic Cake Blue Screamer in the same position. Everything's the same except we just swapped the guitars out. The tone controls on the amp, the volume on the amp, the same as it was with the Strat. We just changed the guitar. That's all we did. We just put some dirt on now. There you go, guys. Let me know, what do you think? Did those tones sound the same as the 2 position or 4 position, however you look at it, on a Stratocaster? Or was it different? I think it was different. I think they say that the 2 and 4 positions on a Stratocaster gives it like a quack or something. Now this out of phase in the middle position, this sounds like you know how the gooses have they honk and stuff when they fly around and stuff like that. They honk and make the honky sounds. I think it sounds like the honky sounds of a goose. That sounds like the quacky sounds of a duck. So What do you think, guys? Let me know. What do you think? What do you think? Which sounds better to you? The 2 and 4 position of the Strat, or the out of phase middle position of a Les Paul? Guys, enough of my nonsense here. Well, some of you don't think it's nonsense, but some of you do. But anyway, it's okay. It's all good. We're all having fun, right? That's the name of the game, is have fun. Experiment with tone, see what you can get, and have fun doing it, right? But anyway, guys, I want everyone to do me a huge favor. Have a great day, have a great night wherever you are. This is Birdman 316, and always remember, keep rocking, make the world a better place, guys. This is Birdman 316. Sayonara.